Hello, today in this video we are going to be opening this Stay Wild Be Happy box from the Happy Planner, and I have a little helper with me today. That is my little pumpkin. She is the oldest of our crew. All right, so we're gonna open this up. We're going to keep that sticker. Please remind me to keep that one, love. Keep it. This would be a really cute shirt, wouldn't it?
Yeah, we just need to sew some cut off the, or that could be like a hang shirt. You just hang it around your neck.
Hang it around your neck?
Apron.
An apron? Okay, and a paper pad that says this week, and then you can put the date on it in the corner, or maybe put a sticker over it. It's really cute. And then when you're done using it for that, or if you want to take it apart, you can take it apart. You can do it either way. Really cool. I love that one. Wow, isn't it? 60 is a big number, huh?
Yes, it's actually minutes. So we could have 60 minutes putting those in plan.
And then what is this called?
Our classic notebook.
Classic notebook. And it says, "You are so great." And then it's, you love the disc? Yes, they are. They're so cute. And keep it up, babe.
And we have to keep the disc on.
They're so
The
cute.
discs just pop out everywhere. Those are so cute.
Yeah, they are. Okay, let's see. Okay, never forget your own worth. And this is dot grid, with the dots are kind of like, what color is that? Tan, would you say?
I said like maybe.
Let me see.
Great for playing squares.
Okay. And then this one says, don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. So true. And then there you go. And then here's the third divider. It says kind heart, brave soul. And it's got that same color pattern of leopard. Ooh, feel that. Feel that.
Feel it? Oh,
What is,
this is like a squishy.
it's like a squishy.
Squishy.
Isn't that nice?
Our last thing is one
Silicone pouch. Yes, good. It's all right. It's fine. And that is super cute, super soft. Love it. And then, what do you think mommy should do with this tissue paper?
I know.
What?
Turn it into paint.
Turn it into paint. Okay.
No.
What? What's that? Your ideas are great. Both of those are great. I think I might make some more jewelry. Is that okay?
Oh yeah, jewelry is perfect.
So, can we say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching.
Thanks so much for watching, guys.